What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. The topic that is under discussion is DoorDash Crimson Card. So, what is actually DoorDash Crimson Card? It is basically a debit card that is linked to a personal banking account through the Dashers. So, it offers instant payouts after every delivery, cashback perks, and fee-free ATM withdrawals. It replaces direct, Dashers provide a more integrated experience within our Dasher app. Some Dashers appreciate the convenience and rewards, while others have concerns about the customer services and transitioning from the Dasher Direct. So it goes both ways, depends upon your requirements and how you're gonna handle the things in. But for some Dashers, it's really convenient and easy to use. Let's see how much pay perks and discounts they are offering. So Dasher Pay, when you go through their website, you will see a lot of how much I can earn, the deliveries, the boards. Dasher Pay, $4 base pay, customer tip that could go, even that is a plus tips, and then plus the promotions. If you complete a challenge, you'll get $20 based on the challenges and many other, perks and stuff. So don't forget to visit the website. I'll be attaching the link in the description below so you guys can read the, all the perks and, benefits and discounts in it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.